So we are at Rock Your World with STEAM, amazing partnership that our district CMSD has with the Great Lakes Science Center as well as the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, and it's just amazing seeing all of our scholars. We have parents, educators out here. It's a great day.
For an event like Rock Your World to STEAM, this is really the culmination of a year of work for our students. Some of the work that you'll see, for example, in the art tent are projects that students have been working on since the beginning of the year. These ensembles begin rehearsing early in the year and rehearse throughout the year. Most of the bands actually perform twice per year as full ensembles for All City. They do the winter concert and then they perform here. So quite a bit of work. If I were to tally the hours, incalculable.
So you might notice my outfit's a little different this year because we had a lot of rain today. But yeah, I've been slogging around looking at the different performances. The orchestra, the choirs have been downstairs to see all the wonderful STEM displays. We also have our FACE tent, which is our family and community engagement tent, where we have partners like College Now and Digital C and Starting Point and Say Yes, sharing information, the Greater Cleveland Neighborhood Association as well as the City of Cleveland, sharing information about summer programming. And then our office, our department, provided free summer learning activities for students so that we can keep them from sliding. You know, we want to prevent that summer slide and encourage families to read to their children, make sure they're reading, and engaging in different activities throughout the summer, so when they come back to school in the fall, they're ready. We just got to keep rocking it. We rock it rain or shine every year.